If you're wondering, is Google Data Analytics on Coursera worth it? The answer is yes for most beginners who want to break into data analytics without spending years earning a degree. In 2026, it's still one of the best entry-level career certificates available online. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you a discount on the Coursera Plus annual plan, which is currently 40% off for a limited time. The Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate was created by Google to help beginners build job-ready skills. You don't need previous experience or a technical background. The program teaches practical skills including spreadsheets, SQL, Python, Tableau, data cleaning, data visualization, and how to analyze real-world data to solve business problems. One of the biggest reasons this certificate is worth it is that it focuses on hands-on learning instead of just theory. You'll complete practical exercises throughout the program and finish with a real case study that you can include in your portfolio when applying for jobs. Since it's self-paced, you can study whenever it fits your schedule, and many learners complete it in around 6 months while studying part-time. But here's something many people overlook. If you only pay for one certificate today and later decide to learn AI, cybersecurity, project management, Python, or another in-demand skill, buying courses individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better choice. Instead of paying for courses one at a time, you get unlimited access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from top organizations. Right now, Coursera Plus is available for 40% off, bringing the annual subscription down to just $239, which is less than $20 per month for unlimited learning across thousands of career-focused programs. So, is Google Data Analytics on Coursera worth it? Absolutely, especially if you're serious about starting a data analytics career. And if you plan to keep learning after this certificate, Coursera Plus offers far better long-term value than purchasing individual programs. If you want to take advantage of the current discount, check out the Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.